owner of a Pfaff Creative Icon, a Pfaff Creative Icon 2, or even a Pfaff Performance Icon, we have a brand new online course for you.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com
and I'm Liz from Sew-A-Lot.
We have created the Pfaff BOOTCAMP online course specifically to help you master all the free stuff that comes with the MySewNet.com website, the new app, and all the things that do it. And I know at our store, people ask us, like, what is the SewNet?
The SewNet seems to be the most confusing aspect of the whole thing. So we really tried to take it and break it down into simple pieces that everyone can understand. And we threw in some other stuff too that was not necessarily Wi-Fi connected.
So we have created fun new stitches. If you haven't used your stitch creator, we did some sequencing.
We did some embroidery. We did a lot of tips.
So if you are confused when somebody says MySewNet, there is a ton of features. If you are confused about the cloud and how to move designs around or get designs to show up from your computer or device, this is the course for you.
Yeah, the app, if you're confused about the app and what its purpose is, we go over all the aspects of the app.
So from the monitor to the design placement to the photo stitch where you can create your own designs and you don't even have to own embroidery software. We're even going to show them how to do binding in the hoop.
Yes.
So if you've never thought about the possibility of doing that, we have figured that out.
And we play a lot with Shape Creator and Applique Creator, which I really love.
And I love also the Quick Font free program that will help you embroider additional alphabets past what came built into your machine.
We just really love these machines and we want people to take them home and use all the features that they have available to them.
A lot of people just embroider with them or they're just sewing straight stitch. We do have a ton of videos that you can watch for free to see if this course is right for you. When you buy this class is yours to keep, and you can buy it with a one-time payment or you can divide it into 12 monthly payments.
Not a subscription.
Not a subscription. That very common question. So it just allows you to jump into the class sooner and it will automatically bill your credit card for 12 months.
And then you can keep it forever.
And I promise that as new items appear, which we've already seen new things arrive, that we will add to this course. So the MySewNet, as it grows, it will be updated. So you will see us at a later time with some of the newer features that have become available. So if you're interested in enrolling, please click the links below, and we look forward to seeing you in class soon.